Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing well. So I have some new information. This is a big thing for Honda. It just came out about a week ago, and this might change exactly how Honda's going to go in the future. And it might change kind of how you look at vehicles as far as if you're in the market to buy something. This might change kind of what vehicles you're looking at. So let me go ahead and share exactly the new news that just broke. So if you follow Honda for a long time, you know that they've never really been into, big full-size trucks. They came out with the Ridgeline, but again, it's kind of based off the Pilot, Passport, all that, when it uses the unibody construction. So it's not your traditional, body on frame truck like most American manufacturers make. You have the Chevy, GMC, all those, like the Tundras, where they utilize the body on frame. So a little bit more robust of a vehicle. So if you were looking for like a pickup, a lot of people shied away from the Ridgeline because it was based off the Pilot platform. So it's not a real heavy duty truck as far as towing capabilities and all that. But this might be changing here very soon. So the news that just came out is, if you remember a while back, Nissan was in talks with Honda to merge, and it had made the third largest automotive group. But then that fell apart because Honda wanted Nissan to be a subsidiary of it, and Nissan wasn't on board with that. So that broke off. But just last week, Nissan and Honda are in discussions to make pickup trucks using Nissan's facilities. So basically what that is if this goes through, Nissan will make full body on frame trucks for Honda, and they'll make them in their existing facilities where they make their Nissan Frontier, and Honda will still carry the Honda nameplate. So it'll be a Honda branded truck, but it'll be made by Nissan, and it'll be the full body on frame. So a more robust, traditional style pickup truck. So that'd be a big thing for Honda, since, like I mentioned, they've never really had a body on frame pickup truck. I mean, the Ridgeline's got to be the closest thing they've ever made. And again, it's built off the Pilot platform, so it still has its limitations. And a lot of people, when they think of a pickup truck, they shop elsewhere, like Nissan, there's Toyota, then the GMC, Chevrolet. Those are kind of the ones that come to mind when you think of mid-size pickup trucks that are popular, especially like the Tacoma. So this might be a huge thing for Honda to get their very first body on frame mid-size pickup truck. So it's definitely going to be interesting to see if this goes through. And like I said, they just talked about this last week, but they're really wanting it. It's going to help Honda, of course, to get in the market for the pickup truck, and then as Nissan as well, to help sell these units to Honda so they can rebrand them. So again, let me know in the comment section what you guys feel about this. Would you be interested in buying a pickup truck from Honda if it was like a body on frame truck, opposed to maybe a Tacoma or a Canyon, which have been around for a very long time? But it's definitely going to be interesting to see if this actually goes through, what exactly it's going to look like, if it's going to have a one-off design or kind of pick up Nissan's cues, how they design their vehicles. But again, it'll be branded as a Honda, so it'll be under their own lineup, but it'll be their first, body on frame truck. And no mention yet exactly, because it's in the first part of the discussions, what kind of motor, that kind of setup, hybrid. But if it goes through, it'll be something to look forward to if you guys are looking for a traditional pickup truck. So again, I just wanted to bring that to your guys' attention. Hope everyone's having a good day out there. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.